Every year at Cooper's Hill in Gloucester, people chase a wheel of cheese down one of the steepest hills in England and break ankles, wrists, legs, and whatever else in the process. This is, of course, the cheese rolling. And I was there to shoot it with a camera that was released in the same year this bloke did the first 900, 1999. And I wasn't alone either. My friends Josh and Traff were joining me from the Negative Development Dark Room. And Traff was taking his first job as cameraman in the 35-degree heat. In case you don't know, this is one of those British traditions that just happens. Since at least the 1830s, it seemed pretty reasonable to people to yeet themselves down one of the steepest hills around, and I guess today, in 2026, it's still as reasonable as ever. We don't know exactly why this exists. It could have been to do with grazing rights. It could have been some pagan shit. But one thing's for sure, once you see that hill, you'll know that everyone that runs it is absolutely mental. So, after parking in someone's field, we started to make our way up towards the hill, which happens to be on top of another hill. Right, where are we going? Hear everyone shouting cheese.
Maar roken en drinken, dat werkt gewoon.
Cheers!
Hey. Nou,
Once we finally made it to the bottom of Cooper's Hill, we thought we'd try and make our way right up to the top, where things immediately got real hard. You alright, Traff?
Going around now.
But after many rests, a few close calls and a bit of heat stroke for Traff, we found ourselves at the top of Cooper's Hill, where it became pretty obvious that there was no way I'd get a spot to shoot the race from there. Having shot here twice before, I've noticed over the years how much busier the cheese rolling had become, but luckily I had a plan. Rather than try and find a spot on the sidelines, we hiked right back down to the bottom, just in time for the first race.
That's a super long lens daddy there.
can't tell you how much I wish we had footage of this, but after the first run, we went to one of the little drink stands, bought a couple of bottles of water. Loads of people were just sat down chilling, and a herd of sheep just turned up out of nowhere and started jumping over people that were sat down. One of them landed on someone. She was okay, just embarrassed, but I've never seen anything like that before in my life.
Oh my God. That said it was loaded back. That said it was wound all the way back. I genuinely just did it. It's not even going to go any out-of-date Portra 800, same as what you've got, mate. Don't know what just happened, but totally opened the camera up with film exposed, so that's cool. Hopefully I actually got a load of shots for the last 36. Right, let's get going.
After all that chaos, there was the ladies' race, which, to be honest, is just as insane as any of the men's ones.
Hey up. Yeah.
Finally, there was one more men's run, and we managed to get ourselves in a prime location, which was good because up until that point, it didn't feel like I had the shots I wanted.
I've only got about 10 shots, 11 shots, maybe 12.
To be honest, this is where I got my favourite shots. I'm not usually a long lens daddy, but I thought this was the best for this situation. It's a tough place to shoot. There's not much space, you've only got about 10 seconds to get an actual decent shot. So I think this went okay.
Where are you going? Almost like myself. Go over the left, doesn't it?
Once all the races were over, everyone decided to come down via the hill. And there we have it, one of the most dangerous races on one of the hottest days. Let me thank Traff for filming and not passing out while we were trying to get up to the top of Cooper's Hill. And for you guys out there, if you enjoyed this one, good, because I'd really like to make loads more videos like this. But it's difficult. If it doesn't get out to many people, it makes it kind of difficult to consistently make this kind of thing. But anyway, take care. If you enjoyed it, maybe share it with a friend, and yeah, have a good week. I'll see you again soon.